Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download all Google Drive files at once. And here's how it is done. Go to your Google Drive from the Google Apps menu, top right corner of Google. Instead of downloading everything one by one, there is an easier way. In your browser, go to takeout.google.com. Press enter and you'll be taken to Google Takeout. Now follow the steps. Click select all. We only want Drive. Scroll down and check Google Drive. Then scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. Next, set up your download options. Under the delivery method, choose Send Download Link via email. Choose Export Once. For file type, choose .zip. It is easiest to use. For file size, select 2 GB. Larger exports will be split into multiple files. Click Create Export. Now just wait. Google will email you a link when your files are ready to download. Here's what the email will look like. Just click Download your files and save them to your computer. And that is everything you need to know about how to download all Google Drive files at once. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.